in Barcelona, you absolutely have to go and have a meal at Calpep. The restaurant is utterly sensational, and I was feeling very smug because I managed to book a table on the day online, which isn't something I thought you could do. So this meant that we didn't have to queue with the unwashed masses. I felt very smug as I sipped on my delicious red sangria. So at Calpep, the vibe basically is there is no menu. They get loads of stuff fresh from the market. They ask you if you have any dietary requirements, and then you just roll with it. So at this point, my mother, I could tell, was very, very anxious. However, unsurprisingly, the Calpep team more than fucking delivered. So we had fried artichokes, pan con tomate, croquetas, which everyone at the table agreed were the best ones they had ever had. Moving on to a lovely Spanish tortilla, that was fab. Tuna tartare, so fresh that it practically leapt onto the crostini and then swam directly into my mouth. Frito misto that lots of my family weren't into because they were a little bit scared of the head/needed mayonnaise. Plebs, the lot of them, which I was fine with because it meant that I got to eat almost the entire dish. We also had clams with a lovely bit of chorizo in there. Absolutely slap. The liquor they were cooked in was just sensational. Then we have the classic padron peppers. We had what they called scampi, but are quite clearly massive fucking langoustines, and finished all of this off with a gorgeous piece of grilled sea bass that they cut up for you at the table and then split between the four. Honestly, the restaurant is just stellar. Also, in terms of the lack of menu, they'll just keep bringing you dishes until you ask them to stop. So this sadly was our final savoury one. I probably could have kept going. However, we did finish with their iconic creme catalan, and the whole thing, all of that, 4 people, was about £225. Unreal.